Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. Today I am showing you how to create a Gmail account from your Android mobile phone or tab. Just go to the setting, then go to the advanced setting, then go to the accounts, you can see the several option here. Now click on the add an account. To create the Gmail account, you can just click on the Google. Now I am opening my mobile by giving my pattern code. Now you can see here is an option create an account. Now give the name of your Gmail account. I am giving here Android Monster. Then click on the next. You have to give your birthday. Just give your birthday, date 01. Now go to the year, '88. Now give the gender, male. Now click on the next. Now you have to choose a username. For example, now I am writing Android dot monster. Sometimes it may not be available. Now I am giving the next. Here is saying this username already. The username is not allowed. So I 377 388. Now giving the next. Now that's happened. Now you have to give a password. Now you have to confirm the password. Now click on the next. You have to put your phone number here. Now click on the next. You may get a SMS code in your phone number. 5. They will automatically retrieve my code from this SMS. This is the my code. They will automatically retrieve the code from here. Now click on the go to the below and click on the agree. I agree. Now your account has been created. This is my email address. Now click on the next. You must remember your password for the next time when you are logging to your account. It is very much important. Here is the payment method. You can add your credit card or debit card. Just click on the no thanks. Now click continue. your account has been created. After finishing your account, now you go to the home screen. Now you have to go to the Gmail. Now you can see your email has been created. Here is my email address I have just created, monster3773@gmail.com. This is the new account. I can check my new email address here. Click on this email address. This is the first email sent from the Google. By this way you can create any Gmail account. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. For more video tutorial, please subscribe to our channel.